Hi everyone, Barbara here, and welcome back to my home sweet home. Let's talk about one of those adulting gifts that people don't think to buy, but everybody ends up needing one. The Joseph Pocket Max Plus Portable Folding Tabletop Ironing Board. It gives you a real ironing surface without having to dedicate a whole closet to a full-size board. And the setup is honestly the best part. Here's why I love it. First, it folds flat and it has integrated iron storage. That the little pocket on the outside is awesome where you can set your iron in there. This also hangs on a door. No more dragging out a clunky board, then hunting for where you left the iron. And if you're in an apartment, which is what I'm getting this for, or my kids, but I might actually keep one for my quick touch-ups too. But great for an apartment, dorm, condo, or, you just like a tidy home. It also comes with a hanging hook so you can store it on a wall or inside the closet door and keep your floor space clear. The ironing surface is about 35 inches long, so it's roomy enough to handle shirts, trousers, dresses, without feeling like you're ironing on a postage stamp. Now let's talk steam, because that's where a lot of compact boards fall short. This one has an advanced cover with drip lock technology designed to handle high steam output. So even steam generator irons, so you're not dealing with water pooling underneath and making everything feel damp. It also has a sturdy frame and locking mechanism, so when it's set up on the table or counter, it feels stable and secure. A couple quick home sweet home tips to make this even better. First tip, set it up on a firm surface at about hip height, like a kitchen island or a sturdy table like I did here. Your back will thank you and you'll get a smoother press because the board stays nice and steady. Second tip, if you're using it for a quick garment refresh, steam the item first, then do a light press at the end, especially on collars, cuffs, and hems. These are linen pants, and I like to use the steam on this. This little iron is great too, by the way. I have this on my storefront, and it's so light, and it's so delicate and easy to use. Super easy. So this does a great job steaming my clothes. I have a lot of linens and cottons. So that's the little finishing touch that takes something from fine to polished. The steam is great, and in under like 2 minutes, you can have it all looking fresh on this awesome ironing board. And yes, this is also so good for entertaining. I love it for cloth napkins when I'm setting a table, and I want everything to feel crisp and elevated. If you have young adults in your life setting up their first apartment, this is genuinely a smart, practical gift that feels a little luxe because it saves space, saves time, and keeps life looking pulled together. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.